The Siemens 8000H can provide enough electricity for over 2 million households. Proven, reliable, record-breaking efficiency and power.
It's operating right now. A customer can go look at it and see it, it's real.
We wanted to have a piece of equipment that would deliver on all its promises right out of the gate.
Compared to conventional technologies, the 8000H turbine is ultra-efficient in a combined cycle setting at more than 60%. Higher efficiency means you have to use less fuel for the same amount of power, and less fuel burned results in lower CO2 emissions. So this 8000H technology is a win-win. It's better for the environment while at the same time lowering operating costs.
The record-breaking power plant in Ersching, Germany, which was the first plant to exceed 60% net combined cycle efficiency, is a flexible combined cycle. That plant can start up and put half a gigawatt on the grid in less than 30 minutes, and it can ramp up and down during the day, load following, to enable the renewables on the grid.
But all the power in the world does not mean anything unless your plant is reliable and available.
Availability is key because most of the financial models that underpin these major capital projects require you to be able to deliver electricity when promised. The H has been able to accomplish this by maintaining what effectively is a very simple design, albeit a very technologically complex design.
It took design technologies from many of our frames, looked at the best features in all of those frames, tried to combine it into one new frame, and in the end help our customers to reduce their outage time and get their engines back up and running.
It continues with testing in Siemens Berlin Testing Center in Germany. For the first two 8000Hs, successful tests were crucial as the product was brand new to the market.
What we learned in the test bed was the changes were so minor, we were actually able to get them through our vendors and the changes made before we ever fired up.
When both turbines were finally turned over to the end customers for their reliability runs, both turbines performed flawlessly.
And the 8000H is designed with serviceability in mind, a cost-saving benefit to customers.
The Siemens 8000H turbine has this feature, it's called hydraulic clearance optimization. And what it does is it prevents tip rubbing of the blades, and that keeps the efficiency at very high levels for the life of the unit, which is 20 years. That increases the value to the customer, burns less fuel, it's greener for the environment.
Your row 1 blade, vanes, ring segments can all be removed without having to lift the turbine covers. So single-piece vane carriers can be rolled in, roll out, and your combustor assemblies can also be roll in, roll out in one piece. So we feel that this is definitely new to the industry.
8000H customers have access to Siemens' deep bench of experts and service professionals. An H-Class training center is open in Houston, plus H training and manufacturing is happening at our recently expanded Charlotte, North Carolina plant.
It makes a big difference to have a manufacturing plant in the United States. A lot of our customers love it that we have a plant in the US. They can just go fly over or drive over sometimes and go look at the technology.
The Siemens H-Class turbine, proven, reliable, record-breaking efficiency and power, plus people who deeply believe in the product and deeply believe in providing you the services you need.
That's not an accomplishment of one person, that's an accomplishment of the entire organization. And it makes me proud that I have a role to play in this machine that's effectively delivering this benefit to our customers.